Welcome to the discourse on power of money. Citations are from Panchatantram by Sri Vishnu Sharma. Nahi tadvidyate kinchit yadardena nasidyati etnena matimams tasmadardamekam prasadhayet. In this world, everything is achievable through the money. That's why a wise man must always earn money, work towards earning money. Exceptions are few, of course. Apart from that, everything is possible in this world with money. A wise man should always work towards earning money. If he has money, he can do whatever he wishes. The earnings must be done morally, legally, and by the legal binding. Such money can fetch anything. Of course, here we are considering only the good deeds. Ishchadas tascha mitrani. Isharthastascha bandhava. Ishartha sapuman loke Ishartha sacha pandita. The rich man will have friends, the rich man will have relations, and the rich men are considered as the perfect, they are considered as a great person, great scholar, and they are considered as the great person all over the world. That is the reason, never stop earning money. Your money should earn money. Such a way, make a plan for your life. Make a way to plan for yourself. Never stop earning money. Of course, keep a balance between the life and the work and the earnings. You enjoy the money and the life as well. With the life around as well. जिसके पास धन है उसके मित्र है, जिसके पास धन है उसी के बंधु है, जिसके पास धन है दुनिया में वही पुरुष है, जिसके पास धन है वही पंडित है. ये धन का विशेष है. न सा विद्या न तद्धानम न तत्शिल्पम न सा कला न तत्स्थैर्यम हि धनिनाम याचकैर्यन्न गीयते. A donation is not a donation if it's not appreciated by the seekers. The knowledge, the sculpture and the art, if it's not patronized by the rich and well-being, they are not considered to be so. Patronage by the rich and well-being is important for a seeker to flourish. Rich man is considered to be all-wise, all-potent, all-artistic and all-knowledgeable, even if he doesn't have. That is the power of money. Wise men should never stop earning money. Ihaloke hi dhaninam paropi swajanayate. Swajano vidharidranam sarvada dujanayate. You know, in this world, everybody wants to make friendship with the rich person. Even if he is not useful, even if he doesn't give anything, but that gives some strength, confidence that I know such person. If a person is rich, the people start making relationship. If a person is rich and wealthy, people flock around him. Even if he doesn't give anything, the association with the rich and the wealthy person gives the confidence in the people who flock around. And vice versa, if a person is poor, even the own people desert him. Own people may say that I don't know that person. That is the power of money. That is how the rich and the wealthy shine in this world, not the poor and the meek. Wise men should always earn money, keep earning money. Ardebhyopehi ruddebhyah samrutebhyastatastatah pravartante kriya sarva parvatebhyah ivapaga. You see, there is a power of money, but the money doesn't come overnight. Like small streams join together to become a big river. Like that, small savings become big earnings. Never stop saving. Whatever money you have in your pocket is yours. If you take it out, it's gone. If you convert into any other form, it's gone. It will lose its original value unless it is an investment. The such money accumulated by the savings will grow bigger like a hill and they will give all the best things in your life. While you are earning, that is main stream of income, and this savings is second stream of income, which give you all the things, all the best things in your life. So plan earnings, plan savings, and thus you manage the finances for your benefit. Work for earnings, plan for savings. That way, the finances, the money, the earth, the money will return the best for you. Pujyate yada pujyopi, yada gamyopi gamyate. Vandyate yada vandhyopi, saprabhavo dhanasya cha. See the power of money. Who doesn't deserve the respect becomes respectable. Who is a stranger becomes a known person if he is wealthy and rich. That is how the power of money tilts the balance and earns respect and friends and relations in this world. So be wise men and never stop earning money and put into good use. Asinadindriyani vasyu karyanyakhilanyapi etasmat karanaat vittam sarvasadhanam uchyate. Etasmat karanaat vittam sarvasadhanam uchyate. Like our body gets the energy from the food we eat. For many things, the money becomes the reason for the success. Like that, the money becomes the driving factor for success of anything in this world. If the intention is good, money is a factor to definitely make it to give a success. Of course, the money should have been earned morally, ethically and legally. Such a money put to use definitely will yield the great results. Gatavayasamapi pumsam esha magdha bhavante taruna addenat ye hina vrudaste yavane vishyuhu. This is another power of money. If you have money, you are young always. If you don't have money, even if you are young, you are considered old. So decide yourself, be wise and start earning money. Never stop earning money. In this session, we discussed about the power of money. There is power of money. The power lies in the money, in the possession of money, and a wise man should always work towards earning money. Make earnings morally, ethically and legally and lead a life of integrity. Such a money put to any use will be good use. It will yield great results, great satisfaction and good social stability. Having discussed about the power of money, in the next session we'll discuss on how to earn money. Thanks for watching.